Ayaw ba?
In the bedroom, in the master bedroom, there's switches. I don't know where they go.
I don't know.
What?
Even there, the main switches.
Kapalitan niya direct ano ba ni siya kadlaw ra sa. Sabi,
Balik dayon.
oh, what you guys do?
When I bought this one, I was renting 1 month apartment beside the Ace Doctor.
Oh, yeah.
When I bought this one. But the deal was like, we built today, and in 3 days I have to fly back. Because they asked me for 1 month to settle and clear everything inside. So I have no choice. I have to wait until it gets empty. That's why.
Wana, makaanak man jud siguro na. Kanarong dugsing-dugsing ho,